probably a bit of all three, but it's going to be mainly cultural. I think it needs to matter to people, and they need to understand why they need to comply and why it's important to them in order to build it into their everyday working life. The thing I'll probably change straight away is the culture. I think compliance is something that people are afraid of or wary of and not particularly interested in, but if we could change that to be, as I say, part of their everyday working life and something they just do second nature, and its importance to them as well as to the business. I think what's stopping people comply right now is the other draws and pulls that are on them every day in their work. Clients, the amount of time they have, the KPIs and the financial benchmarks they're trying to achieve. There's a lot drawing on them, and sometimes it's difficult to remember to get it right.